Hey there, real estate innovators. Welcome back. Have you ever struggled to seamlessly integrate cutting edge technologies into your real estate operations? Wondering how to overcome employee resistance and ensure your data migration is flawless? Today, we're diving into business process reengineering, BPR, and showing you how it can transform Prime Realty Solutions by integrating AI-powered CRM systems, blockchain-based transactions, and immersive VR property tours. By the end of this video, you'll discover actionable strategies to enhance efficiency, boost customer satisfaction, and stay ahead of the competition. In the background, you will see how we prompted ChatGPT to help find these solutions. Let's get started. Prime Realty Solutions faced a significant challenge: integrating new technologies like AI-driven CRM, blockchain for transactions, and VR for property tours into their existing workflows. The hurdles? Employee resistance. Staff were comfortable with traditional methods and hesitant to adopt new tools. Data migration issues. Moving data from outdated systems to modern platforms led to errors and inconsistencies. Compatibility concerns. Ensuring new technologies worked seamlessly with legacy systems was proving difficult. Without a strategic approach, these obstacles threatened to hinder operational efficiency and limit Prime Realty's growth potential. Business Process Reengineering, BPR, stepped in as the game changer. Here's how BPR transformed Prime Realty Solutions. Map out current processes. BPR began by detailing every step involved in integrating new technologies, from setup to daily operations. Identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. By analyzing workflows, BPR pinpointed areas where employee resistance and data migration issues were causing delays. Redesign workflows for seamless integration. New optimized processes were created to incorporate AI, blockchain, and VR smoothly, ensuring compatibility and minimizing disruptions. Enhanced training and support. Comprehensive training programs were developed to help employees transition confidently to new tools. Implement robust data management practices. Automated tools and validation checks were introduced to ensure accurate and efficient data migration. Let's break down the specific solutions BPR provided. AI-powered CRM system, automated client interactions, and personalized property recommendations. Reduced response times from 48 hours to under 24 hours, boosting customer satisfaction scores from 6.5 to 8.5. Blockchain-based transactions. Streamline the closing process by automating title verifications and smart contracts, cutting transaction times by 50% and reducing errors from 15% to below 5%. VR property tours introduced an online scheduling tool and real-time support for VR tours, decreasing scheduling conflicts from 10% to under 2% and increasing customer engagement by 30%. The transformation was remarkable. Efficiency. Automated CRM and blockchain processes reduced manual workload by 40%, allowing agents to focus more on client relationships. Effectiveness. Accurate data migration and seamless technology integration led to a 25% increase in lead conversion rates. Customer satisfaction. Faster response times and immersive VR tours elevated client experiences, resulting in a 30% boost in customer satisfaction scores. Prime Realty Solutions didn't just adopt new technologies, they re-engineered their entire business process to leverage these tools effectively, setting a new standard in the real estate industry. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Through pre-mortem analyses and playing devil's advocate, Prime Realty identified potential pitfalls. Over-automation ensured a balance between automated tasks and human interaction to maintain personalized client relationships. Data security implemented advanced encryption and regular audits to protect sensitive client information. Employee adaptation. Continued training and support minimized resistance and kept the team engaged. By proactively addressing these risks, Prime Realty ensured their re-engineered processes were not only effective, but also resilient against unforeseen challenges. So, if you're ready to transform your real estate operations and seamlessly integrate the latest technologies, business process re-engineering is your key to success. By reimagining your workflows, addressing inefficiencies, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, you can elevate your business to new heights. Have you faced challenges with technology integration in your organization? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more strategic insights, and check out my book, AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3, for an in-depth guide on leveraging AI and BPR to drive your business forward. Let's build a smarter, more efficient real estate industry together.